Understanding Read the Blurb, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, read the blurb. This video will help English language learners understand its meaning, usage, and context. So, let's dive in and demystify this interesting expression. Before understanding the phrase, read the blurb, it's essential to know what a blurb is. A blurb is a short description or summary, typically found on the back cover or inside flap of a book. It gives readers a quick overview of what the book is about, often including key plot points, themes, or endorsements. Blurbs are also used in advertising and for promotional purposes. The phrase, read the blurb, is a direct instruction or suggestion to read this short description. When someone says, read the blurb, they are essentially telling you to look at this summary to get a basic idea of what a book, movie, product, or event is about. It's a helpful tip, especially when you're trying to decide whether something is worth your time or interest. Now let's see how this phrase is used in real-life contexts. You might hear it in a bookstore, library, or in a conversation about books or movies. For example, if you're unsure about choosing a book, a friend might suggest, "Why don't you read the blurb on the back cover?" It's a way to get informed quickly without committing to the whole book. This phrase is particularly useful for English learners as it highlights the importance of summary and conciseness in language. Understanding blurbs can help improve your skills in summarizing complex ideas in a few sentences, a valuable skill in both academic and professional settings. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, read the blurb. Remember, it's all about getting a quick snapshot of something to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills. See you in the next video.